Okay, my friends, we're going to start with our meat. I'm going to add my ground beef and ground Italian sausage to my Dutch oven, and then we're going to make sure that's well combined. I have my eye on medium-high heat. So I'm going to add in my seasoning salts and other seasonings. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and all of the ingredients will be listed in the description box. And we're going to mix this once again. I'll now add in my chopped onion to the pot, and I'm going to give this a quick stir. Then I'm going to add some more seasoning. Why not? So I'm just adding the garlic powder, onion powder. I believe I added some parsley flakes, black pepper. I'll now add in my tomato paste. And I'll give this another quick toss. And now I'm going to go in with my jar of pasta sauce, and then we'll add in my chicken broth. Feel free to use beef broth if you have. I only had chicken broth in here, so that's what we went with. I will now add in my lasagna noodles and give a quick stir. Then I will cover and allow to cook for about 6 minutes. And then we're going to add in the heavy whipping cream. And we'll give that a quick stir, cover and allow to cook for another 5 minutes. We will now start on the cheese mixture. I will combine all 3 cheeses in a mixing bowl, as well as some parsley flakes, and you can add some black pepper if you'd like. We're just going to simply mix this together, and I'm going to place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then we'll plate our lasagna soup. And here we have it. I have my bowl of lasagna soup, and we're topping this with our cheese mixture. It was delicious. I hope you try it. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.